Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Today we're going to be smoking some pork belly and we're going to make it into a brisket style pork belly. Shout out to the guys at Meat Church. We saw this from your videos, so we'll include the link in our bio. Stay tuned to the end to see the finished product.
Alright, so what we're going to start it with today is our classic brisket rub, which is a half cup of pepper and a third of a cup of salt. We're just going to liberally throw it on top of here. Just cover our whole pork belly with it as if you were coating your brisket. Okay, we want to get that nice crispy bark that our traditional brisket would have, but just on that nice, beautiful, tender pork belly. Okay, we're just going to rub it on in. Make sure you get all the sides. Just be a nice, generous coating on there. Now, once you have your preference for how much rub you want to put on your pork belly to get that beautiful bark, we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes to let that rub soak in, the moistures pull out of it, and we'll be ready to go in the smoker.
Alright, so we're at the pit up to 275 degrees. We're going to throw our pork belly brisket onto it.
Wow. This pork belly brisket looks amazing. The bark, it is so tender, but yet so crispy and crunchy on the outside. It's exactly what we were looking for. Let's get a slice of it. Just run our knife through it. It's almost like butter. It is so tender in here. One final slice. Whew. Look at that smoke ring on it. Juicy. It is delicious. You got that nice soft inside and the crunchy outside. Got a couple more slices out. And we'll check on that bend test. We'll see if she hangs just like a brisket does. Still can't get over that smoke ring. Whoo, baby. Does it hang? It sure does hang. It looks phenomenal. Wow. Can't wait to get this in my belly.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with everything we do each week. We'll see you next week.